Alright, now we're doing something I don't ever do. Let's open up some Pokemon cards. These 2 packs I got. These 2 packs I got at Dollar General for like $3 a piece. Paid $40 at Target for this cool looking thing. So let's start with this. There is Electros. I'm not a big Pokemon person, so I don't know. Please forgive me for... Oh, there's 2 packs in here. A Charizard and Vulpix. Pikachu. Diglett foil? I don't know. And Graveler. Oop. Put that in the way. I didn't want to tear it. Bellsprout. Barboach. Oh, that looks like a dud. That Pharaoh Seed, that is Pharaoh Seed. That's cool. Ah! Don't even know what Pokemon that is on this front. So, if anybody can let me know, appreciate it. Not too Heatron Energy. Bonita, Rufflet, Woobat. Alright. So here are those. Now, Lucario. Just looks so cool. Lucario V-Star. Like I said, I know nothing about Pokemon cards. It's a pendant. A magnet. I feel like I've seen that Pokemon before, but unsure. Resume the rules. Alright. Nose Fast Snow Runt Clink. Dedenne. Cupchew. Floatzel. Magmortar. Energy. Starvia. Floatzel. Hunting Gloves. Like I said, no clue. Don't know. Pampor, Shinx, Eevee, Shalmet, Vettel, I don't know. Greedent, that's cool. Graplock, Diggersby, Sydney. Sydney? Oh, it's a person. I was like, wait, that was weird. Tangshan, Indeedee, Donald Growlithe, Meowth. Almost forgot about this. One nice thing about Pokemon cards, they already have rounded corners. Farfetch, Dusko, Grimer, Shinx, Bidoof, Team Yell's Cheer, Garchomp, oh. Hitmontop, Magnabasin, Quaddon. Sword and Shield. Drillbur, Klefki, Pansage, Wooloo, Pancham, Heatmore, regular Heatmore, Toxicroak, Energy, Double, well, that's cool. Energy, Frostmoth, Rockruff, Swirlix, Lapras, Deerling, Slowpoke, Volcarona. This looks like a really good card. Celebi. Oh, it's Celebi. That'd be why. Whirlpeak, Crushing Gloves, Honey. Alright, so let's recap what we have here. We have the oversized Lucario card. We got the pin, the coin. Okay, that's not bad. I'm not sure what that is. And then we have, let's go through. More cards. I may have a bit of a cold. I didn't realize he off with a foil. Trainer. That's 2 Hunting Gloves. The Lucario cards. Oh, the Heatmore was out of a different, there's different packs, I think. Oh. So, 3 trainer cards, 8 energy, oh, they're different. Oh, it's Crushing Gloves for, okay, so 4 different items. Oh, that's a stadium. 3 items at stadium. At the base, I guess. Although these are probably different. Supporter. Does it say like Aren't they from like different sets? Those are all Sword and Shield. What were the ones that I got from Target or Dollar General? Sun and Moon. Someone help me out on how to classify the different ones. Are those the numbers down here? 88 out of 214, 1 out of 145. 23 out of 236. 39 out of 172. 264. 172, 264, 264. 198. Someone help me out. I'm not sure what I'm doing with Pokemon. But I thought this was cool. I didn't know it was going to be $40 when I went to check out till after I already paid. But yeah, it was Lucario. I thought it was cool looking. I got these cool looking ones. Yeah, a Celebi. It's really cool. All right, that'll do it.